Hello and welcome to Glam Tones. It's me, Gigi, and today we are going to do a set for all of the purple lovers out there. I would be one of those people. I absolutely love purple, and it doesn't look like we're going to do purple to start with because we are laying down a base of this really pretty sandy nude color from Kiara Sky. And while I do that, let me just say, you're looking fantastic today, and I really hope that you are feeling fantastic as well on this beautiful hump day. It is gorgeous here where I am, which is a little odd because normally it's kind of hot this time of year. I live in the desert, but we're having like a high of under 70 today, so that is pretty nice. So we are going to go ahead right now and cure and then repeat that process while I lay down some pretty purples. This is where that purple comes in. So if you have a passion for purples or you like flower power, this is going to be the set for you. We are going to go ahead and use this light lilac-y purple color and do side Frenches on 3 of the nails. 2 of the nails are just going to be without a French. They're just going to be the plain old sandy color that we have there, although it is not going to stay that color. It's just gonna, everybody is getting a flower power treatment. How about that? There's a lot of flowers. I mean, not a ton. There's some flowers, okay, like 12 maybe. I want to say 12. Excuse me, a little frog in my throat there. I'm only going to show you a few because it's pretty repetitive, right? And we're doing the same thing over and over and over again. And I'm really doing those wonky sort of 70s style flowers. I grew up in the 70s. I respond to that vibe really a lot. So we're just laying down 5 dots, and then I'm going to connect them in the middle. That's literally it, guys. If you can make a heart, you can make this flower 100%. So it's just 5 dots. You could do 6 if you want. I respond to the 5, but really it's what your heart desires. Art is for you and for the people who see your art and enjoy it. The purple color that we're using here is from the haul that we did on Monday. It's that dark violet by Gelixir. The number will be in the description box, as will everything else that we've used in this video. And I'm going to show you another one of these, just because why not? You're here for art, so let's show you some of the art, right? And honestly, if you think of each of the dots as turning into like a drop of water that connects to another drop of water, there you go, you've got your flower. And you could actually make like a splash that way as well, just by making some dots and connecting them together. We are coming up to summer months, so I'm thinking some splash nails are in our future because people go to the pool. Everyone loves the pool. Okay, not everyone. Let me just backtrack on that a little. Some people love the pool. I love the pool if there's shade. I am not a sun person. Okay, so there we go. Right there in the middle of that flower is a nice white dot that you can see there on that other flower. We're skipping over to the medium purple color that we had on our palette, and we are making another flower. And the only ones that are going to get all 3 colors of the flowers are the full nude nails like this one here, because the lighter color is what's making the French on the other nails. So I'm only putting the medium of lavender and the darker colored flowers on those because the lighter color is already there, so it's really not necessary. And I just really wanted to keep the flowers down by where the French is on those nails. I like the look of that. I think it's super cute, and when I see people do nails like that, it makes me so happy, and so I wanted to make myself happy. Now we're going to come in and add just a little flare. You do not have to add this. if you just want the flowery look. But I just wanted a little something else, so we're just making a thin line that graduates from thick to thinner, and then adding a few dots next to it, kind of making it look a little bit like a vine, if that makes sense. But you could think of it as whatever makes you happy. Maybe it's a string of beads. Maybe it's a ribbon with some little crocheted bits on the sides, right? You know what I mean. You know what I mean. You feel me? So now we are going to continue with our flower escapades. I'm pretty sure I just heard my grandson. I'm gonna go down and play with him while I upload this video. He is my whole heart. I just love that child. He is such a sweetheart. He is also so mischievous. He gets this look on his face when he knows that he is doing something he's not supposed to. Oh my God. He is not quite a year and a half, so I feel like his parents, they got a job ahead of them, a big job. So we're adding our flare here, putting our last few flowers on. They bought him it's a Little Tykes, right? You know that brand. Slide. It just clicks together. It was at Walmart. If you're looking for one, it wasn't even $30. So I'm sure with tax, it's right around 30, a little over. He loves it so much. So if you have a Little Tyke and you need some activity, not just toys that you sit and play with, but something that uses up their energy, go get that Slide. It was worth every penny. But I would get those little foamy things that go underneath it, because you don't want them to, it's not super tall, but still, right? They're little, so some cushioning landings would not be ill-advised. So we're going to add a little bit of this flare to every nail, because that's what I liked and that's what I wanted. So that's what we did. I respond to this vibe of these nails. I can't lie. This is right up my alley. If I had a dress with fabric that looked like this, I would wear it all the time. This is one of those sets that I kind of feel disappointed that I didn't actually go ahead and put it on myself. Of course, I would have had to have worn it on my left hand, because even though it's just dots and stuff, I am not good with the hand drawing with my non-dominant hand. I might have been able to find some stickers or some transfer foil that could make it happen, but I really wanted to take the time to just make these flowers myself. While I was moving and during the month of April, I relied a lot on you know, a lot of the fun things I have in the collection, but things that I don't want to only use. I want to do hand painting and stuff as well. But April was a rough month for me, guys. And the numbers in my analytics, it really, really shows that I had a rough month last month. So I'm just glad to be able to do a little bit of actual art for you guys today. And it's maybe not the most art intensive piece or set I've ever done, but I had a really good time doing it. And I hope you had a really wonderful time watching it as well. I have to say, love this set. As I was finishing them up and then adding the base coat, which is what I'm doing right now, it was making my heart really happy that I had taken the time to do this set. I actually had originally thought I was going to do something completely different, which how often does that happen to you guys, that you think this is what I'm doing today and it's completely something else? That was today. Or this set rather, because it was yesterday. So now on the 3 nails with the French, we're going to do a shiny top coat, but the other 2, I decided to do a matte. And I have to say, I really like the way that it looks like that. I think that they came out super, super cute. And each one, like the shiny has its own flavor and the matte has its own flavor. So it's like you get a little bit of everything in each bite. And I like that, right? When you have a meal where you have everything in each bite. Guys, oh, there's the dog barking. This is the finished set. Let me know what you thought of them in the comment section below. I really do appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and we'll see you Friday for another fun video. Bye-bye.